Hello my friends, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all another lemonade recipe. We're going to make a Brazilian style lemonade. And the Brazilian lemonade is different from other lemonades. They use limes instead of lemon, and you mix everything in the blender, and it's frothy, and it calls for sweetened condensed milk. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and the perfect drink for summertime. Great to serve at your barbecue cookouts, pool parties, and I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, watermelon lemonade. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your limes, your sweetened condensed milk, and your blender sugar, because we're about to make some Brazilian lemonade magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, on my cutting board, I have 4 large limes, and we're going to cut them in half. And we're going to peel the skin off, and keep your fingers out the way. Just like that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my limes, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through peeling my limes, and off camera I placed them into my bowl. So now we're going to pour them into my blender. And into our limes, we're going to add in 4 cups of cold water. Now we're going to cover it and pulse it for 10 seconds. Alright my friends, I am through pulsing it. So now we're going to strain it using my mesh strainer. Going to strain the water and the excess pulp. Alrighty, now we're going to pour it back into the blender. Now we're going to add in a 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. Give it a little extra flavor. And we're going to blend it on a low pulse until it's well incorporated. And last but not least, we're going to add in some ice to taste. And make sure you taste it to see if it's sweet enough for you. You can add in a little bit more sweetened condensed milk or a little sprinkling of white sugar. And blend until it's well combined. And that's it my friends. How simple and easy was that? Our Brazilian lemonade is ready to serve. And off camera, I tasted it. Has the right amount of sweetness for me. So now I'm about to pour it into my mason jars. Alright, and there's one more thing we got to add to it. Some lime slices. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it my friends. Brazilian lemonade. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers! Refreshing, full of fresh lime goodness. This will definitely quench up your thirst. This Brazilian lemonade is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Brazilian lemonade-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and stay cool. Cheers!